Hello guys, welcome back to another paper of Cambridge Primary Checkpoint Mathematics Paper 1. Code is 084501. This is paper of April 2021, the recent paper that was done this month. So as this is paper 1, so we cannot use calculator for that. The other things that you can use here is protractor and tracing paper. So here are the instructions. You can take screenshot and read them afterwards. Total marks is 40 and time is 45 minutes to complete this paper. So to get the latest paper and other papers, please subscribe to the channel. I will try to explain all the questions step by step. So let's get started. Question 1. Write the missing number in the box. So we have this box here. So we need to write down the missing numbers. You can see something plus 650 equals to 1000. So that means we will subtract this 650 from 1000 to get the number in the box. So when you subtract this, 0 minus 0, 0. So 10, this will become 9 here. So this will become 10 here. 10 minus 5, it's 5. So 9 minus 5, 6 is 3. So 350 will go in this box here. So question number 2, complete these calculations. So we have these three numbers here, then this box is empty here. So we will add them and just write down here. So it is 30 plus 80 plus 60. So 0, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 11 plus 6 is 17. So 170. So 170 we will write here. Now in this column here, you see this is 40 plus 30, but answer is 200. So 40 plus 30, it is 70. So 70 plus what gives you 200. So 200 minus 70. 0, 10 minus 7, it is 3, 130. So 130 will go in this box. So that's question number 2. Now question number 3. Here are 4-digit cards. You can see we have these digit cards here. Use each of the cards digits once to make the total that is multiple of 10. So we need total multiple of 10. So multiple of 10 means the last digit should be 0. So other digit may be any of them. So let's see which one by adding. If there is addition, which one will give you 0 at the end. So now if you look here, this is 4 plus 6. When you add 4 plus 6, it will be 10. So if you have these numbers in the tens place, like we have these two numbers plus, so I'm writing the same in other ways. So if I write here 4 and I write here 6, then it will become 0 here and 1 carry here. So now we have 2 and 5 remaining. So if 2 and 5 are here, so I can write any here, 2 and 5. So 6 plus 4, it became 10 here. So we have used 4, 6, 2 and 5. So 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So this is 80 and which is multiple of 10. So we can write these numbers here, 24 plus 56. So that's it for question number 3. Question 4, part A. There are 205 students in one-year group in a school. 97 are boys. Write how many are girls. So it's very simple. So total students is 205 and boys are 97. So we need to find out the number of girls. So just subtract it. So 15 minus 7, it is 8. So this will be here 9 and it will be 1 here. 9 minus 9, 0, 1. So number of girls will be 108. Now part B. There are 223 students in another year group. 223 students in another year group. Classrooms can have maximum of 30 students. So that means in one class there can be only 30 students. How many classrooms are needed for this year group? So you need to find out the number of classrooms. So in one classroom there are 30 students. So just remember, you guys, whenever you do the question, underline the keywords. Okay, so that will help you to analyze the information. So 23 divided by 30. So 30 times 7, 210, 210. So when you subtract 13, so that means 7 classrooms are needed. But if you have 7 classrooms, then there are 30 students. We need to make them sit somewhere. So plus 1 more. So 7 plus 1. So total classroom needed are 8. So 8 classrooms will be the final answer. Question 5. Round these values to the nearest dollar. So we need the dollars, so that means we do not need the cents. So for that, so this is dollar here. So you have these numbers. This number is greater than 5. So we will round up. So you are going to add 1 here. So it will become 7 plus 1, total $8. So the next one, dollars 12 and cents 49. So we don't need this. We need to round it off up to this. So 12 and this 4 next digit to the dollars, this is less than 5. So we are going to round it down. So we are not changing this. So it will remain same. So it is $12. So that was very simple question. Number 6. A rectangle has area of 35 centimeter squares. The width of the rectangle is 5 centimeters. So we this is the, let me just make rough diagram. So rectangle has 35 centimeter. This is the area, this area here. The width of the rectangle, this is 5 centimeter. What is the length? We do not have this length. We need to find out the length. So as you know, area of rectangle, the formula is length times width. So length times width, this is the area, and this is given to us 35 centimeter squared. So now we do not have length, so times width is 5 centimeters equals to 35. So now we are going to divide this by 5. So this will go to other side and it will become divide. So this is 7. So length of the rectangle is 7 centimeters. Question 7. Here are 4 bags of beads. So we have 4 bags of beads here. Bag A, bag B, C and D. Each bag has white and black beads. So we can see white beads and black beads. So a bead is selected from each bag without looking. Write a letter to make these statements true. So the first one is bag dash has an even chance of picking black bead. So we are looking for even chances of black bead. So see, here we have 3 black and 1 white bead. 2 black, 1 white. 2 black and 2 white. So here we have 3 black and 1 2 3 4 5 white beads. So to have the even chances, we need to have the number of black beads and number of white beads should be same. So that is only in bag C. So bag C will have even chance of the black beads and the white beads. So next is bag dash has best chance of picking black bead. So which one has the best? So that means number of black beads should be more than white beads. So number of black beads are here. If we start from here, so here this can be the possibility because there are 3 black beads and 1 white. So which is more than the white ones. Here also black beads are more than white, so this is even chances. This cannot be the answer. Here number of black beads are lesser, so this cannot be. So now only we are left with bag A and B. So now for this one you have here the possibility of getting black bead is 3/4, and here it is 2/3. Now which one is greater? We need to compare this 3/4 and 2/3. Either you can convert them into decimals or you can make the this denominator same. Let's see which one. So this is 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times 3, 4. So denominator same. This is 9 out of 12. This is 8 out of 12. So which one is greater? Here we are looking for the best chance. So this one is greater. So which is, this is 3/4. It is bag A. So bag A should be the final answer for that picking the black bead. So here it will be bag A. Okay, now bag dash has the best chance of picking white bead. So which one will have the white more? So you can see this is white is less than black, white less than black, white are same. So only bag D is the one that have more white beads than the black one. So its answer will be D. Question 8. Draw a line to join each activity to the best unit of time to measure it. So here are the units. Here is the activity. So we need to see which one will match to the on the right hand side. The first one is fly from London to New York. So flight will be cannot be in seconds. It cannot be in minutes. It's London to New York. So it can be in hours. So this will be joined to the hours. So run 100 meters. So 100-meter race can be run in seconds. And sail from London to New York. So sail from London to New York, it will take days. Cycle 3 kilometers. So it can be done in minutes. So that is question number 8. Question 9. Carlos has 5 number cards. The mode of the 5 cards is 1. The sum of the 5 cards is 11. Write the missing number. So we have to fill these. We have to find out these missing numbers here by the given conditions. So the first one, mode. Mode is with the maximum number of times. Number of times. So 1 is coming maximum number of times. So that means at least it should come twice. So we can fill this with 1 and 1. So we are done with the first condition. And the second one, the sum of the 5 cards is 11. Now all this sum is, if you add all of them here, it is 11. So now see, let's see, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 it is 7 plus what gives you 11. So 2 plus 3 5 6 7 7, then you need to have 11. So 7 plus 4 gives you 11. So this should be 4 here. That was question number 9. So let's move to question number 10. Write how many millimeters are there in 15.5 centimeters. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 15.5 centimeter times 10, that will become the millimeters. So to multiply this we will go because there is 1 only, 1 times, can write this, then 0 will be added to the same number, but there is 1 decimal place, so it will be removed. So final answer will be 155 millimeters. Okay, I hope you understood. So now let's move to next question, number 11. Here is some flour on the scale. So we are given this scale here, you can see this one. Write the mass of the flour. So we have this scale here, we need to write down the mass. So if you can see, this is going this way, 100, 200, 300, 400. So in the middle here it will be 350. So that means there are 4 sections. So this will be 325. So this will be 375, and the next one is 400. So weight here it is 375. Question number 12. Here is a recipe for leek and potato soup. So here is the recipe and the ingredients are given, and this is the amount given. Let's see the question. Eva makes soup for 12 people. Complete the list of the ingredients. So we have to complete this here, the ingredient, amount of the ingredient to be taken. So you can see in the first box here we are given for serving of 6. Now here we need to serve for 12. So that means we have to just double, because 6 times 2, so 12 will be 6 times 2. So we need to just double all the ingredients from here. So like for the leeks we have 700 times 2. 7 times 2, 14. So 1400. So for the potatoes, let's just write down this first here, 1400 grams. Then the second one is 375. So either you can add 375 and 375 or just time. So let me just show you by adding also. So 5 plus 5 10, 7 plus 7 14, 1 15, 1 it is 7. So 750 for the potatoes, 750 grams of potatoes. Now the stock is also, you need to double it. So 850 plus 850. When you add them, it will be 0 plus 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. So 1700 milliliters of the stock. Then cream is 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5, it will be 3 tablespoons. Then we have butter is 65, so 65 plus 65, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 6 12 plus 1 13. So it is 130. So butter is 130. So simply you just need to double all the ingredients which are given in the first table to write down here in this table. Question number 13. Here is a right angle triangle. We are given the right angle triangle on the square grid here. So let's see what is the question. Okay, so it is the right angled triangle is translated 2 squares right and 1 square down. Draw the right angle triangle in its new position. So we need to draw this, use a ruler. So 2 squares right and 1 square down. So we can start from any corner. Let me start from this corner. So 2 squares right. Let me use pencil for that. 1 2 squares right we are done, and 1 square down. So that means this point is now at this point. So then others also will go there that way. So 2 squares right, 1 2 and 1 down. So this corner came here, and this also 2 squares right, 1 2 and 1 square down. So you see we have these 3 points here, so we can join them with the ruler. So it is like this here. Now join the other corner. And now this one. So this is the new triangle in red after the translation of 2 squares right and 1 square down. So see, this is so easy if you count step by step. Question number 14. Match each fractions to the equivalent percentage. So you have fractions here and percentage. Equivalent means the both should be equal. Which one is equal to the other one? So we can start from any side. So it's easier from this side. You can see 3. Here we have 3. So when you change this, so it will become 3 over 100 in a fraction to the percentage. So 3 over 100, it will match to this one. Then half. There is half, and this side if you see 50%. 50% is also half. 50 over 100. So 5 out of 10 it is half. So that means this is going to match this one. So now we have 7 over 10. So digit should be either 7% or 70. So 7% will be 7 over 100. So this cannot be the answer. So it will go to this one. So you can check this, 70 over 100. 0 and 0 is cancelled. So 7 over 10 and 7 over 10. So that was question number 14. Now move to question number 15. The top number in this diagram, we have this diagram here, is the sum of two numbers below. So we have here, this is the rule here, sum of the two numbers below. So this one is an example. So top number, this is the top number. Okay, it is sum of these two. 12 plus 18 is 30. So we get this number. So now we need to complete this diagram. So as you can see here, the top number, we do not have both of them, so we cannot actually start from here. So we need to start from the down one. So this plus these two will give this top number. So 3997 plus 4218. When you add this, 8 plus 7, 15, 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 8 is 11, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 2, it is 12, then 4 plus 3, 7, plus 1, 8. So we will have here 8215. Now we have these two numbers, so we can find out the top number here. So it will be 6005 plus 8215. So 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2, 8 plus 6, it is 14. So we have 14,220. Now we are left with this. As this number is sum of these two numbers, So that means we, to find out this number, we need to subtract this one. So that is 6005 minus 3997. So 15, this will be 5 here, 9 here. 15 minus 7 is 8. 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2008. So that's how you will complete these boxes, by adding the numbers, and here we have to subtract the number. So I hope you understood all these questions. Remaining questions I will do in the next video. I think you are getting all these. So if you have, even if you have any question, you can write me in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe the channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.